Pero si Eman, may sarili siyang personality at priorities. Sarili ring laban sa buhay. She was said to have posted something that really pissed off the DDS or the Dutertards. At yan nga ang pinagva-viral ngayon ng mga kampo ni Digongyo matapos nilang malaman ang tungkol sa kanyang pagkamatay. Isa sa mga unang nakita kong post ay galing sa isang deranged DDS na ito. Another kakamputa bites the dust, sabi niya sa kanyang post sa X, formerly Twitter. If that person actually knows what bites the dust means when used in that context, then alam niya kung gaano siya kasamang tao. When used to ridicule someone's death, it implies glee, mockery, or satisfaction that the person is gone, just like in that line from the popular song. But that DDS troll isn't done yet with their insult.